Hey everyone, the Montech MK87DR is an intriguing product from Montech that is intended for both productivity and gaming fans. It is a mechanical keyboard with TKL style, thanks to its unique combination of high-end materials, cutting-edge technology, and alluring aesthetics. Montech has been making waves lately. Does this keyboard live up to the hype then? Let's test! Montech demonstrates their attention to detail right away. Included in the MK87DR bundle is the keyboard itself. The keycap sets stand out in particular. One has a calm blue sky as its motif, while the other reflects a sinister, enigmatic atmosphere. The color of your keyboard determines these themes. Montech's inclusion of attachments that enable users to immediately customize their keyboard has really improved the unboxing experience. The MK87DR is a masterwork of design. The keyboard's distinctive, refined character comes from its design, which was influenced by Osaka Castle's architecture. High-quality PBT with an MDA profile is used to make the keycaps, guaranteeing their longevity and superb tactile feel. Even with frequent use, the symbols won't fade thanks to the five-sided sublimation method. The roller rotary knob is one notable design element that has several uses: changing the volume, changing the RGB lighting modes, changing profiles. This LED rotary knob adds a contemporary touch to the keyboard's classic design while being both practical and fashionable. For prolonged usage, comfort is essential, and the MK87DR delivers with 3 tilt angle adjustments, 3, 6, and 9 degrees. This lessens wrist fatigue by enabling users to pick their preferred typing position. Together with its small TKL form factor, the keyboard is ideal for usage at desks and when traveling. The MK87DR's RGB lighting really makes a statement. With its 18 lighting modes and customizable LEDs for each key, the keyboard offers countless ways to create the mood you want. The illumination adjusts brilliantly whether you're in a bright office or a gloomy room. Gateron G Pro 2.0 switches, which come in 3 varieties, are the central component of the MK87DR. Yellow, silent, and smooth, perfect for quick typers. Red, gaming-friendly linear switches. And brown, a balanced typing experience with tactile feedback. For increased longevity and smoothness, these switches are already lubricated. Both 3-pin and 5-pin switches are supported by the hot swappable PCB, so users can explore and personalize to their heart's delight. This keyboard is appropriate for quiet settings because Montech has also included silicone pads to lessen noise and dampen vibrations. For games, NKRO is essential since it makes sure all keystrokes are recorded without interruption. Macro support. Programmable macros increase efficiency by streamlining repetitive activities. Fast RGB adjustments. Without the need for software, RGB modes may be switched on and off, giving you flexibility when you need it. From lighting effects to key remapping, the MK software provides extensive customization through an intuitive interface. But even without software, the keyboard's built-in controls make it stand out. The Montech MK87DR is a statement piece in addition to being a keyboard. It is equally suitable for business and play thanks to its exquisite design, premium features, and adaptable functionality. A unique item that adds a great deal of value, the roller knob stands out in any arrangement thanks to its Osaka Castle-inspired looks. The MK87DR is a mechanical keyboard that is worth giving careful thought to if you're looking for one that blends performance, comfort, and style. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.